Good morning, everyone. My name is Roshni Tumhare, and today I'm going to introduce our cloning website, which is Forest Essential. So, first of all, I would like to introduce my team members as we divided into the teams. So, our team number is Team 48, and let's see our team members first. Rahul Kumar, Atul Kharwal, Abhishek Kumar Mishra, and Aniket Paigode. So, let me just explain shortly about the website, which is Forest Essential. So the Forest Essential sell the product, which is totally made up of natural things like Ayurveda and all. So let's see that we have make a GitHub profile also, and we have created a branches of branch individually. So this is our main branch, and we have pushed all the programs into it. And let's talk about the tools and technologies that we have using over here. We are using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, and DOM, and with the connectivity of local storage. So let's see. And we have created blog also for introducing our project into the LinkedIn or any other platform. So here is our blog. And then let's talk about the challenges that we have faced throughout this construct week. So we have faced mainly challenges like when we started our project. So we have seen that many of us are comfortable with which technology. So we have saw that the strength and the capability of our team members, and we divided as per this. And after that, if when we saw that someone of us not able to do this, so we resolved this issue by communicating with each other. So let's see our first page, means a landing page of our website. So this is our landing page. So when the customer entered into our profile, so they'll see the product information, because it's automatically pop up the all informations of the product, and they can click easily on this, and they can see that which product they want, regard means related to hair product, related to skin care, they can. Yes. So this is the product. These are the products. So if they wanted to buy this product, so they can click on add to bag. Yes. So here you can see that automatically means after clicking on the add to the bag, uh, it will add to the bag, and you can see over here that your customer's product is added, and you can click. They can click on a wish list also. Mm, if they like the product but they don't want to buy, so they can click on wish list heart. After that, they can discover more by clicking on this, and this is made up of DOM manipulation with the connectivity of local storage. And these are some information about the product, because it's totally made up of Ayurveda. So yeah, these are some information about the product. And after that, these are the customers review. Ayurveda doctor interactions, they are interacted with the doctors that it's a totally natural product, and these are the review. And these are the gifts, if they want gifts for all occasions, so they can buy from this by adding them. And if customer wants to keep in touch with us, so they can fill this form after clicking yeah, and fill this form after clicking the email, writing the email address and the name. Okay. And they can keep in touch with us on any other website. So we have mentioned over there for Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, all this. Okay, thank you. For the further discussion, I would like to call Aniket Paigode.
Hello, my name is Aniket. I have created a sign up page to response and the design as per the original page by using CSS, HTML, and DOM show how exactly it works. It is integrate all the user data to local storage to fetch that data where our request. The data from the new user and data of old user, both thinking are managed by him. Go to the field all boxes. Go in the phone number, create account, create password, confirm password, the sign in page. The password is mentioned that pop up. Go to change password, same password, create account. The account is successful. Thank you. I'm good. I request from to Abhishek to take over the.
Abhishek, actually you are on mute. Click on unmute.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Aniket. I have contributed my part in building the sign-in page. I have done using the HTML, CSS, DOM manipulation by using the JSS with the local storage. I have used Flux and Grid in the CSS part and the local storage for the proper functionality, as the correct ID and password led to the proper landing page. Yeah, now I would like to invite Atul Kharwal for the next page.
Hello everyone, my name is Atul Kharwal, and now I will show you what I have contributed in this project. So let me show you the page. So yeah, so this page here you can see the products are listed according to the category. So in this page, the facial care is the category. So the categories are showing according to the products are showing according to the category. And in the products, I have worked on this DOM part also. So you can see here, I can add the products into the cart. And here also, I can see all the products listed in the cart. Wait, let me add one more product. So here you can see all the products are listed in this cart box. And then I have worked on the product page. Here you can see this the single product detail. So these all the data which you have which you are seeing right now is totally dynamic. Actually, we have created a data file. So the data is all the data is fetching from that file. See, you can see the reviews also in the product page. So these information, all information is dynamic. I have created this one with the help of a local storage. So now I would like to call Rahul Kumar. He will explain you how the cart system is working in this website. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, my name is Rahul Kumar. Yeah. Atul, can you go to the cart page, please?
Okay, wait.
Yeah, thank you. So here, as you can see, Atul listed all the products in the bucket which we have to buy. So all the products is coming into the cart page by using the local storage. So here what I did, I designed this page with the help of my team members, and I worked upon DOM. Here, as you can see, if you click on plus and minus buttons, then the price of overall price is increasing according to the individual product price. And if you decrease the product, and then automatically the price of the total amount is decreasing according to this. So if you want to delete some products, then you can delete also. So all these functionalities which you can see here, I did by JavaScript, DOM manipulation by JavaScript. So if you want some products, then you can apply also a promo code, which is Masai30, which is used in our JS file. So yeah, so here you can see the message is popped up, and yeah, our promo code is activated successfully. And yeah, so here we are. So now we have to fill all the details, all the address details, and here, as you can see, the total amount of the products is 1,050 rupees, but we activated our promo code, which is Masai30. So here we get the 30% discount on the total price. So if now the remaining part is that just finish all the information which is required to buy these products, then you can go to the payment page directly. Yeah. So Atul, can you please fill all the information? Thank you.
Let me add the details here.
Yeah. So here you can see if you miss some fields, so here you will get some pop-ups that you have to fill the required fields. Yeah. So here we are. So we can just payment through any card payments, debit card, net banking, anything. So it is just a layout. It is not um, active layout. So you can just keep the details and fill it, and just for experiment you can yeah, buy these products virtually. Yeah. So here, yeah. So yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Can you see? Can you write all the details correct? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, let me write the correct details here.
Yeah. So here, as you can see, if you type or write all the details, if some of the part is wrong, then it will show some error messages. If all these details are correct, then it will go to success page. Here you can see the our payment is successful. Yeah. So we are Team 48. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.
Roshni,
So-
stop the sharing, recording. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.